Warning, what you are about to see is a damage chewing call. Don't imitate what he did because that shit's nasty and he shouldn't be saying this because you should be using your common sense. Enjoy the video.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is I, Barty, and today I'm going to be doing the thing that I said I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I said it multiple times in the past that if I reach 200 subscribers, I will eat coal. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. A disc of coal meant for barbecuing and incense and other stuff. So I'm going to be pulling down my mask, but it'll be blurred out, so yeah. Whew. Shame that you all cannot, see that. So, I don't even know what to do. I don't know what's the first thing that I should be doing. Because I said that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be eating charcoal and all that, but now that it actually happens and now that I have to do it, I don't really know what to do, so whatever. Let me go to the lake. Oh God, ugh. Those fucking, that tastes bad. So, I'm gonna be giving that a little bite. Okay, there goes nothing. Oh. Oh God. Hold on. I'll take another. God damn. Oh, very crunchy. And I get goosebumps whenever I take a bite. Oh, my spit is all black. This did not go well, but well, that just about went just as expected as I thought. A little bit of chunk left, but nah, I'm not gonna do that. Fuck it. I promise that I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna do it, okay, huh? That does not look good. That does not look good. That does not look good at all, dude. So, ladies and gentlemen, yes, I fucking did it after a long time. If you got me to 300 subscribers, I will be planking for 5 minutes straight, okay? 500 subscribers, I'm gonna eat some of these Korean fire noodles with hot chili pepper. If I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna say that I love my fans 1,000 times. Yeah. If you wanna know the things that I'm gonna be doing, just look at the About section in my fucking channel. I have everything there. So, ladies and gentlemen, goodbye.